Hello, friends. Welcome to my story. Today I will tell you about one of the most special days in my life, my wedding first day. I will tell you everything from the morning to the night. I will use very simple words so you can understand easily. So, let's start. Morning. Waking up. On my wedding day, I woke up very early. It was still quiet outside. The sun was just starting to rise. I looked out of my window and saw a soft orange sky. Birds were singing in the trees. I felt happy and nervous at the same time. My mother came into my room. She smiled and said, "A good morning, dear. Today is your big day." She hugged me, and I could feel her love. Then my sister brought me a glass of warm milk. She said, "Drink this. You will need energy today." I drank it slowly, thinking about the whole day ahead. Getting ready. After breakfast, I started getting ready. A lady came to do my makeup and hair. She had many brushes, pins, and small bottles of makeup. I sat in front of a big mirror. She smiled and said, Today you will look like a princess." She put cream on my face. Then she added light makeup, soft pink on my cheeks, red lipstick, and eyeliner. She tied my hair into a bun and decorated it with fresh white flowers. The flowers smelled sweet. My wedding dress was on the bed. It was red with gold designs. It was heavy but very beautiful. My mother and aunt helped me put it on. Then they gave me jewelry, earrings, bangles, a necklace, and a small headpiece. Blessings from family. Before leaving the house, my grandparents came to bless me. My grandmother put her hand on my head and said, "Be happy always." My grandfather said, "Take care of your new family, and they will take care of you." I felt a little emotional when they said this. Going to the wedding hall. It was time to go to the wedding hall. The car was decorated with flowers and ribbons. I sat in the back seat with my parents. We drove through busy streets, but my mind was thinking only about the wedding. When we reached the hall, I saw colorful lights and many flowers. The smell of roses and incense was in the air. Meeting the groom. Inside the hall, the groom was waiting. He looked handsome in his wedding clothes. When we saw each other, we both smiled. I felt shy but happy. We sat together on the wedding stage. Many people came to see us. Photographers were taking pictures from every side. The wedding ceremony. The priest started the wedding ceremony. He spoke in a calm voice and told us to repeat some words. These words were promises about love, respect, and care. One special moment was when we exchanged flower garlands. The groom put a garland around my neck, and I did the same for him. Everyone clapped. Then he tied a special necklace on me. It showed that we were now husband and wife. Lunch and guests. After the ceremony, lunch was served. There was rice, curry, vegetables, chicken, fish, sweets, and fruit. Guests came to give us gifts and blessings. Some gave money in envelopes, some gave boxes of sweets, and some gave home items like plates and cups. I smiled and thanked everyone. It was a little tiring because so many people came at once, but I was happy. Taking photos. The photographers asked us to pose in many ways: standing, sitting, holding hands, looking at each other. At first, I felt shy, but later I enjoyed it. My friends came to take selfies with me. My cousins teased me and said, "Don't forget us after marriage." In the evening, it was time to leave my parents' house. This part was emotional. My mother hugged me and cried. My father's eyes were full of tears, but he tried to smile. I also cried because I knew I would miss them. The groom held my hand and said softly, "Don't worry, I am here with you." We got into the car. I looked back and saw my family waving. It was a moment I will never forget. Arriving at the new home. When we reached my new home, my husband's family welcomed us. They performed a small ritual at the door for good luck.